do you call it? Mission, maybe? Yeah, we have an appointment. I've had so much toothaches and tooth problems lately, so I have decided to do something drastic. So we're in a trike, and we're gonna do a trike vlog for a change. And right now we're down in Mabalacat. We're going all the way up to the end of the city, and I didn't feel like, what do you call it? I didn't feel like getting a jeepney or anything, so here we are in a trike. And what else? You're gonna vlog something today?
Later when we're on the plane.
Yeah.
While waiting for you.
Yeah. Well, she's gonna vlog my tooth being pulled out. She says. I don't know if they let her in the room though, but.
No, that one you can bring the one inside.
Yeah, we can bring this one inside maybe, but anyway, so that's where we're going. Right now we're just sitting waiting at the downtown Mabalacat for traffic to loosen up. And it finally did. A lot of traffic today, and you know, sold the bike, and when you're gonna go and pull your teeth, I probably wouldn't like to drive my bike anyway. So here we are on our way to Angeles City, so enjoy it. And it's a beautiful day. It's been really hot lately. This is actually a pretty nice, it was a nice drive, a little wider, and a clean window. A lot of the guys, they put the, like an aluminum sheeting, and you can't really see where you're going. I like this one. Alright, so we are just kind of past downtown and heading down to what do you call it, towards Mabalacat, and I'm gonna do a little what do you call it, time lapse. So that one is coming up here in a few seconds. It's gonna be Mabalacat through Mabalacat. Getting the camera back from time lapse to regular video was a pain in the butt. So we are already in Angeles City, and heading up towards, I guess you would call it downtown, the roundabout, the historic district of Angeles. But it's a nice day. I'm just what do you call it? A little tourism about going to get my teeth set. So anyway, a lot of things In fact, it's changed here. Some new stores coming out, and it looks like life is actually coming back to.
Doon pa, kuya.
Keep going all the way. He just wanted to drop me off here, but for 500 pesos, bro, you're gonna take me where I want to go. I'm not gonna walk. I don't think it's every day a truck driver gets a ride where he can pop in 500, 600 pesos. But he is today. Music, music, music. You can drop us at McDonald's. I will say, we're a little early to the dentist, so we probably do something. I planned on doing a little walking vlog, but I don't think we have time for that. But I don't even know where we are. Can't really see where we are. Oh, okay. They're already here. Okay. Yeah, he can. Yeah, he can drop us here. He can drop us here.
Dito lang sa kabila, kuya.
Yeah, hold on. Tayo lang kayo, ma'am. Yeah. Hintayin ko lang kayo, ma'am.
Ha?
Hintayin ko lang kayo.
Do you want to wait? He said he's...
to wait here. It might take a long time, sir, because I'm pulling out all my teeth.
Tatagal lang kami kuya, mga
So-
tatlo, apat.
It's up to you, but I can't guarantee nothing. All right. So you wants to wait. The clinic is here. All right. So this is end of the city in its glory. Many of you know this street, the district, but what? Yeah, that's the clinic over there, huh? Okay. Let's walk this way. Did you really want to wait? No, I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, the clinic is right here. Alright, gotta wait till I'm here. Right? Yeah. Well, it's not even open. Uh-oh. Yeah, 1 o'clock. Huh? Yeah. Strictly by appointment, only for inquiries. And I have an appointment at 1 o'clock. All right, so it's a little circus in how it's going to be done. The clinic is apparently now only by appointment. I'm hungry. I got 40 minutes. I'm reverse Filipino. I'm 40 minutes early instead of 40 minutes late. So hey, we just vlog a little bit. Where did you go? Oh, there you are. So we're gonna do that. We're in the smack middle of Angeles right now. The roundabout is about up that way a little bit, and we're gonna take a walk into McDonald's and grab us a bite to eat. It really might be a few days before I can eat again, so better have a run at it. Busy days here at Angeles City. So we're gonna head over right into McDonald's. Grab us a bite to eat. And that'll be it. Here we are inside McDonald's. I never understood this. Mask is required, and once you start eating, everybody pulls their mask off. So
Yeah, how can you eat? How can you eat if your mask is on your mouth?
yeah, well, you know. Anyway, we're gonna have a little meal.
Also, it's
My Big Mac and a few other things, and then we're gonna head to the dentist and get that stuff taken care of. So off the mask, and we're gonna grab into this long time ago since I had one.
Really?
It's pretty good. Can't wait.
Got your order chicken. It's like it's like no tomorrow.
No tomorrow. Didn't have breakfast. I was too busy with the live show. I was too busy with everything.
Yeah.
And the good thing is now, like the resort, me and Janice handles the bookings for us. Me and Janice handles the bookings for some of the resorts, and it really has picked up, which is a good sign that some kind of normal life is coming back to a lot of the people. So we'll hope for that. And we finish the food, and we'll call it that. All right, guys. So now I really want to keep this up because I've been vibrated in my mouth for 2 hours. 2 hours. All numb on half the face. But anyway, it's been a good experience. Good dentist. Can highly recommend the guy. I'll put his contact information. He's actually helped me a couple of times before, so he's doing really, really good. I like it. So now we're slowly heading back home again. And you know, now you have a trike experience. Let me see if I can get the camera out this way. They absolutely have to stick their nose out. You know, it's just most other countries you get arrested if you drive like that. It's called reckless driving. But not here. Reckless driving is the only legal method to drive. If you drive like a normal human being, you get arrested. Anyway. Abacan Bridge, Abacan River. I'm not sure. I've been here 7 years and I still don't know the names on a lot of geographical points. Different, never done it before. I never done a trike vlog before, so we trike today, and I guess we say goodbye, and we'll see you next time, next video.